Heat domes is a very important topic that we have covered in one of the video lectures before. So for specifically for geography optional students, heat dome is a very important topic. Now there has been a recent news that in the region of Mediterranean Sea, the temperatures have gone above 8 degrees Celsius, which used to be there, and this is 1 in a billion occurrences that have occurred. So the absolute temperatures, if we talk, are ranging somewhere at around 31 degrees Celsius, which have been recorded in the areas of France, in the areas of Italy, and the subsurface temperature, the seawater temperatures have remained higher than normal for an extended period of time, and this has been attributed to numerous concepts. One of the major idea is that there has been a high pressure area which has been created. So when there is a high pressure area created, the air would sink down and the heat would rise up. Now this would lower the wind activity, reduce the mixing of the water, and the sea surface in the water area would accumulate the heat. As a result, this marine heat wave would develop, and this would cross the region and bring in tremendous impact onto the nearby states and the nations. So if we look onto the last 40 years data, we have seen that frequency of such events have tripled, and these events are now 50% longer as they used to be. So some of the most worst affected areas include the western part of the Mediterranean Sea, the Spanish fishing areas, the Tyrian Sea, the Balearic Sea, and if we focus on to the devastations that they are causing, they would lead to mass mortality in the area. The livelihood, of course, would be impacted because the people are not acclimatized to those climatic conditions. Neither the residential setups are. Even there can be a possibility of intense storms, because with the rising temperature and seawater level going high, the temperature going high, what would happen is there would be more cloud formation, ultimately leading to more storms and more intense rainfall. Sometimes this could be detrimental because it could lead to flash floods. We have seen those conditions in recently in Spain in October itself, which led to torrential rainfalls in the region and a mass destruction. Similarly, higher amount of dew generation and precipitation formation would be there. So these are all related to climate change, a very important topic, and one of the recent findings that have been identified, highly important as a case study for your answer writing for your upcoming optional examination as well as GS environment section. We will be covering many important topics, and of course those who have been writing the test, please send in your test regularly for feedback, so we can provide feedback on answer writing to you as soon as possible. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in.